Hello friends, in this video we will create a REST API using Spring Boot. The language we will use Java, Spring Boot will be our framework, Intelj will be our editor, database we will use SQL Server, and we will create a table there and perform the CRUD operation using Spring JPA. So let's get started. The steps are here. Step 1, softwares and tools. Step 2, create a GitHub account and repository. Step 3, install Java 11. Step 4, install Intelj Community Edition. Step 5, install SQL Server. Step 6, create a database and table. Step 7, create a simple Spring Boot project. Step 8, configure the project. Step 9, create a simple API for the table in the database. Step 10, run the application. So step 1, software and tools. The softwares which we will use here is Java 11, that is our programming language. GitHub, the repository where we will keep our code. Step 3, Microsoft SQL Server Edition 2019. This will be our database. Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. This will be our interface for the database. Intelj Community Edition. We will use this editor to create the API. And 6, Swagger or Postman to test the API. Thank you.